Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, giving you quite a bit more height, sitting on some 35-inch tires, as well as having pocket-style fender flares and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear. Down below you have running boards so you can have an easier time getting in, and a soft top tonneau cover to keep your belongings covered and protected. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 120-volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors, as well as having a premium B&O Sound System, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the truck with it running, you can see that it's sitting at 50,734 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, as well as your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, power on board, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going with a full 360 view so you can see all around your truck. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off and your camera view again with your forward facing camera, hazards, traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and a heated steering wheel. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with 4 auto, locking rear differential. And then you have your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, and down below you have this compartment with a USB and USB-C. Then you've got your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears and can be collapsed out of the way for more open space. Then you have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. Looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.